We recommend having the following tools to hand if you want to install your new wooden floor: a hammer, saw, pencil, knife, bevel tool, tape measure, an installation kit consisting of a crowbar, spacers, and a tapping block, a suitable underlay or parquet glue. Wear protective gloves when cutting the underlay. Thanks to the Uni-Click multi-fit click system, there's no need for nails and glue. Instead, the floors are laid floating and attached to each other. If you need to measure one extra time, make a small mark, giving the striking block a push. Or to get that angle perfect, it's good to have a folding rule, pen and square, in your toolkit. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Need more tips? Then take a look at the other quick step tutorials.